Sentences using if then in Gujarati. Part 1. To specify condition and its effect, we use if then structure in English. For example, if you had gone, then I would have gone as well. Had he eaten well, he would have become healthier. Gujarati sentence formation has few similarities and few differences. You can easily relate them with English. For if then in Gujarati, we use pair jo to. Form of verb homu, which is hoth, is used in if and then part. In English, we use special form of verb like I had, I were, he would have, etc. In Gujarati, we use normal form as if saying, if he ate, then he became wealthier. If he went, then I went as well. But use of hoth gives effect of special form. Now examples will make all these rules clear. So consider the sentence. If you had gone, then I would have gone as well. Suppose if you say it like this way, if you went, then I went as well. The Gujarati sentence will be similar to this one. જો તું ગયો હોત તો હું પણ ગયો હોત. If you had spoken, then she would have spoken. If you spoke, then she spoke. જો તું બોલ્યો હોત તો એ બોલી હોત. If he had said, then she would have eaten fruit. If he said, then she ate fruit. જો એણે કહ્યું હોત તો તેણે ફળ ખાધું હોત. So if you see, you went, so we use તું ગયો. I went as well, so we use હું પણ ગયો. And to make it or give a feel of if then sentence, we use jo, to, and with each verb we use હોત. So તું ગયો હોત, હું પણ ગયો હોત. Part 2. If then structure can be used to predict future also. That is to indicate what will be the effect if some action is taken. For example, if you go, I will cry. If he studies, he will be happy. In Gujarati, sentence structure is same as in English, but we use future tense in both conditions and effect part. And we use pair jo to. So examples, if you go, I will cry. Suppose if you say it, if you sorry, if you will go, then I will cry. જો તું જઈશ તો હું રડીશ. If singer sings, then dancer will dance. If singer will sing, then dancer will dance. જો ગાયક ગાશે તો નર્તક નાચશે. Part 3. If then statements are also used to give general advice. For example, if someone hurts you, then call police. If you feel chest pain, then take XYZ medicine. First of half of this statement is in present tense and second half is a command or imperative statement. In Gujarati, we follow same sentence structure. Only we omit form of hovu in first half. Second half is prepared with usual command sentence. Consider sentence, if someone hurts you, then call police. Call police is police ne bolavo, and someone hurts you is કોઈ તમને ઈજા કરે છે. So by combining these two sentences and by omitting form of hovu, if someone hurts you, then call police. જો કોઈ તમને ઈજા કરે તો પોલીસને બોલાવો. So see, we omitted છે from કરે છે using in if part, and we connected two sentences using jo to. Another example, if you feel chest pain, then take XYZ medicine. Take XYZ medicine is XYZ दवा लो. You feel chest pain is છાતીમાં દુખાવો થાય છે. Combining these two sentences, if you feel chest pain, then take XYZ medicine. જો છાતીમાં દુખાવો થાય તો XYZ દવા લો. Thank you.